As your business grows, it's important to choose the right customer relationship management tool, or CRM as they are popularly called, to help manage your leads and customers. HubSpot is a powerful CRM platform that is integrated with WordPress and comes with tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. Their suite of tools can help grow your business by automating processes and managing data, all in one centralized location. HubSpot enables companies to organize email lists, track engagement, nurture relationships, and much more, ultimately leading to more leads, more customers, and more revenue. You can get access to their powerful CRM, email marketing, live chat, landing pages, team email, and many other features, all from a free account. Integrating HubSpot with Gravity Forms is easy. To get started, you'll first need to install the HubSpot add-on. From the WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to the add-ons page to install and activate the add-on. Next, go to the Gravity Forms settings page and select HubSpot. From here, you can sync Gravity Forms with your HubSpot account. If you don't have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to create one for free. Once you have connected your HubSpot account with Gravity Forms, you'll need to create a HubSpot feed for one of your forms. I'll use a contact form as an example. From your Forms settings page, go to the HubSpot settings and select Add New to create a new feed. Here, you can rename your feed and configure options like the status and lifecycle stage of the new lead, as well as assign the contact to one of your team members in HubSpot. You can then map the contact fields to the appropriate HubSpot fields to configure the data you would like to send from this form to HubSpot. The HubSpot feed also gives you the option of mapping numerous field types to custom properties within your HubSpot account. Field types include checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down, file upload, and many more. Now, whenever this form is submitted, a new contact will be created within HubSpot that includes all of the valuable information collected in the form. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for similar content. And if you have any requests for future videos, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.